What happens if you don't replace a missing tooth? Let's talk about it. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. F, and welcome to Teeth to Smile. If you enjoy the content I share, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps me grow and bring you more engaging videos. Thank you for that. But now, let's get back to our topic. What are the effects of not replacing a missing tooth? Often, when a tooth is lost or recently extracted, if it doesn't cause discomfort or affect your appearance, perhaps because it's a back tooth that's not visible or there's no opposing tooth to chew with, it might seem like leaving the space empty isn't a big deal. However, in most cases, not replacing a missing tooth can lead to bone loss in the affected area. Over time, opposing teeth can shift downward, creating imbalances in chewing forces. Even when both opposing teeth are missing, and it seems like no action is required, it's important to remember that molars are essential for proper chewing. So, while doing nothing is an option, it might make chewing more difficult in the long run. My advice is to consult your dentist to evaluate your specific situation and decide whether it's necessary to replace the missing tooth and how to do so. If you decide to replace a missing tooth, there are three main options. 1. Partial denture or dental flipper. The most affordable solution is to get a partial denture or a dental flipper. This option doesn't maintain bone levels, so you might still experience bone loss over time. However, it does improve your appearance, and if it's a true partial denture, it also aids in chewing. On the other hand, a dental flipper is usually just cosmetic, filling the gap to make it look like there's a tooth there. 2. Dental bridge. The second option is a dental bridge, a common choice before implants became available. Today, it's not always the first choice because it requires capping the adjacent teeth to support the missing tooth. This can be problematic if one of the support teeth is damaged in the future, compromising the entire bridge. Additionally, if the adjacent teeth are healthy, this option involves invasive treatment, removing healthy tooth structure that otherwise wouldn't be necessary. Like the partial denture or dental flipper, you might still experience bone loss over time with a bridge. However, it can be less expensive than an implant. 3. Dental implant. The third and often best option is a dental implant, an independent solution that doesn't affect surrounding teeth and helps maintain bone levels. An implant consists of a screw inserted directly into the bone, onto which a crown is placed after healing. The implant itself is the screw, while the visible part is the implant crown. Today, implants are considered the best option for replacing a missing tooth, but there are cases where the bone might not be sufficient to support the implant. In such cases, a bone graft can be done, where the dentist adds artificial bone and sutures the area, preparing the site for a future implant. In some cases, due to bone conditions, overall health, or the use of medications like bisphosphonates, it might not be possible or advisable to place an implant. To find out if you're eligible, it's important to provide your dentist with a detailed and up-to-date medical history. Additionally, a CT scan will be necessary to obtain a 3D image of your jaw. With this information, your dentist can assess whether you're a good candidate for an implant. If not, they will find the best solution for your case, whether it's a bridge, a partial denture, or a dental flipper. To conclude, my most important advice is to focus on prevention to avoid getting to this point. Of course, if you're watching this video because you already have a missing tooth, it makes perfect sense to want to know your replacement options. However, for your other teeth, the goal is to avoid them ever needing replacement. This starts with proper oral hygiene at home. Brush at least twice a day, floss at least once a day, and visit your dentist regularly. These practices will help you maintain a healthy mouth and reduce the risk of losing teeth. Well, at this point, we've reached the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to write to us in the comments. We'll be happy to respond.